Ritualistic plans in my soul of addiction for now, 'cause I'm falling apart, I'm falling apart, I'm falling apart.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Beige. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, as well as turn on the post notification bell located down below as well to be notified of all of my future uploads. So today's video is going to be about this wig that I'm wearing. This is a wig that I made out of bundles and a frontal that were sent to me from beautyforever.com. This is my fourth time, I believe, my fourth time working with Beauty Forever, and every time that they send me hair, I am really happy with the hair that they sent me. So let's jump right into this review. So every time that I have ordered hair from Beauty Forever, it has been sent to me through priority mail, and depending on where you live, the shipping is going to be within 2 to 3 days. So the shipping is always really quick when I order hair from them, and whatever hair that I order from them is usually in stock, so there is no processing time, which is really important because sometimes I order hair from companies and there is a processing time, but I have not had that from Beauty Forever. Literally, I just put my order in and it comes to my house within 2 to 3 days, so yeah. So when you first open up your package, you get this box that says Beauty Forever on the front. It says Beauty Forever for your forever beauty. It has all of their contact information, all their social media accounts on this box. And then I really like that on the back of the box has the hair care instructions, and then it gives you some information about their company. It tells you that they reply within 24 hours if you have any questions about their products. And there is a 15-day no reason return policy, which I really like as well, because if you get the hair and you're unsatisfied, or if you order the wrong type of hair or too many bundles, you are able to return that within 15 days for no reason at all. And most companies do not have that, so I really do like the fact that they do offer that. And when you open up your box, you receive your hair as well as a pair of eyelashes. So I ended up ordering one 13x4 frontal, and the frontal was 20 inches. And I ordered 4 bundles of 22-inch Brazilian straight hair. I ordered 4 bundles, but I only used a full 3 bundles and the frontal to complete this wig. I didn't need the 4th bundle at all. Where's my 4th bundle? Here it is. As you can see, there is a lot of hair on each weft. It might seem thin, like when you first take it out the package, you might think that you're not going to have enough hair, but that's because the hair is full at the top and then it fades into a thinner density. So I like the fact that it is like that because it is very wispy and it moves really, really well. Like this hair, you can shake it, move it, and it does have really good body. I do like that about the hair from Beauty Forever. It's very lightweight. Each bundle does smell like coffee, which I like as well. I don't have a problem with bundles being sent to me that smell like coffee, because when you wash and condition it, that smell goes right away. And I love the fact that it does smell like coffee, because that does mask any odors that it might have picked up when it was sent from the factory. So yeah, I don't have any issues with that at all. The hair is a 1B off black color when you get it, but you are able to bleach it, dye it, lighten it, or whatever you want to do with this hair you can do. Okay, so let's jump right into my hair color. I did not use any bleach at all to achieve this hair color. I did dye it first. I dyed it using 2 boxed hair dyes from Revlon. I forgot the names of the hair dyes, but I'll have the tutorial down below in the description box for you to click on if you're interested in seeing the exact products that I use and exactly how I achieved this hair color. So make sure you check down below in the description box. So I used those 2 box dyes that I mixed together to create a custom color. I applied it to the wig. I left the hair dye on for about 40 to 45 minutes. Then I rinsed it out and it left me this beautiful chocolate warm chestnut color that I was so in love with, but I wanted to go a step further and I wanted to do a few pops of colors as well as add some peekaboos of colors and highlights within this wig. So I went ahead and I applied a Pravana hair color with my 40 volume developer. So each time that I have received hair from Beauty Forever, I did either bleach or dye the hair, and it has come out. It has taken to the dye or the bleach really well. I have not had any issues lifting the color or bleaching it or dyeing it or any of that stuff. So I really do like that fact about this hair as well. So I have been getting a minimal amount of shedding with this wig, so make sure if you are going to be bleaching or dyeing or lifting the hair color, make sure that you seal your wefts first, as well as buy a knot sealant to seal the knots on your frontal before you do that, and that will help with some of the shedding. I feel like this hair is a good density for this to be 3 bundles, but if you are getting a closure, you would need a total of 4 bundles. And if you want your hair to be fuller than this and you're getting a frontal, then you would need between 3.5 to 4 bundles to complete your entire head. I did end up doubling most of the wefts on this wig because I wanted it to be a little bit fuller than just using the standard 2.5 bundles, and that's why I was able to fill the entire wig cap with 3 bundles. I'm going to have to say that this hair does not curl as well as expected. I did use a curling iron and I pin curled this hair. I left it on my wig stand overnight, and then I took the pin curls out literally an hour ago, and as you can see, this hair has dropped completely. So I'm going to have to say, if you are planning on curling this hair up, to do it on wet hair and leave the rollers in for a total of 2 days so that the hair can actually form that curl. So when you receive your frontal, if you are ordering a frontal from this company, your frontal comes with a natural looking hairline. It is pre-plucked, but I like to take the extra steps to go in and pluck it even more to mimic my own natural hairline. And I also bleached the knots on the frontal, and I also cut more baby hairs into the frontal as well. Baby hairs do come on the frontal, but they're really long and they blend in with the rest of the frontal, and I just get my eyebrow razor and I just shave those down a little bit more so that it can be easier for me to apply the baby hairs once I have the wig down onto my head. I did end up using Got To Be Gel to adhere this down onto my head. But I have been obsessed with Ghost Bond lately. I've been using it. The past 2 wigs that I wore, I used Ghost Bond on it, and I've just been so obsessed with the fact that it doesn't plaster unnecessary baby hairs down onto your face like Got To Be does, and you don't have to wait for it to dry like Got To Be. I just hate the fact that when you put Got To Be down, your wig slides all over while you're trying to do baby hairs. Not with Ghost Bond though. So I do recommend, if you are not really good with like laying your wig down, to try Ghost Bond, just to try it out. The hold on Got To Be is good too, but the hold on Ghost Bond is, you gotta try Ghost Bond. If you've never tried Ghost Bond before, you will really love the fact that you can do daily activities like go to the gym, go to the sauna, do whatever that you do typically without worrying about your wig lifting up and being self-conscious if you're on a date or whatever. You won't have to constantly keep checking your hairline. So definitely try out Ghost Bond if you have not already tried it. I will have that link down below in the description box as well. Okay, so this is pretty much the end of this review about this hair that was sent to me from beautyforever.com. All of the information and the direct links will be down below in the description box, so make sure you check that out. The link in the description box to this tutorial will be down there as well. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this hair color, how I created this hairstyle, please definitely check that out. And let me know if you have any questions at all. Leave them down below in the comment section. I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye guys!